Here's all you'll need to make a basic tempura batter. Some plain flour, a touch of sugar and salt, and some sparkling water. To make the tempura batter, I'm going in with half a teaspoon of sugar, then the flour, carbonated water, and then season it with some salt. And then it's a case of mixing these together. Don't go too vigorously, otherwise you'll create gluten. So you just want to mix them together slowly but surely until it forms a very watery batter. When you've gently mixed your tempura batter, it's time to go in with whatever you're going to fry in it. In this case I'm using prawns, but you can use veg, meat, whatever it is. Always make sure it's covered in a coat of flour so that your batter is going to stick to it. You want to get yourself a deep fat fryer, or do it in a pan with some oil. Get the oil up to temperature around 180, the same as you cook chips or french fries there. Get a bit of your batter, drop it in there. Get that nice sizzle, and it's time to go in with your prawns. So dip them in, let the excess drip off, and in you go for around 2 minutes until they become lovely and golden brown. Once they've come out of the fryer, drain them on some kitchen roll for a couple of minutes, and then enjoy either on their own or with your favourite dip. Delicious.